Welcome back to 100 words for 100 days. In this very short learning video, you are going to learn a word is for my money. This word you often use in your conversation. Let's get started. What is meant by for my money? But first let me give you an example sentence. And I want you to listen to that and guess the meaning. For my money, decorating the house is not a priority when the roof needs to be replaced. What do you think this means? For my money means, in my opinion, my preference, or my choice. This idiom alludes how you would spend your money if given a choice. உங்க கையில கொஞ்சம் பணம் கொடுக்கப்பட்டு செலவழிக்க சொன்னா அந்த பணத்தை நீங்க எந்த வழியில செலவழிப்பீங்க? பயனுள்ள வகையில். என்னுடைய ஒப்பீனியன், என்னுடைய கருத்து என்னன்னா அப்படிங்கிறது for my money. Let me give you some more examples. For my money, Sunday is the best day to travel because the roads are quiet. For my money is one of the greatest pianists of all time. For my money, this red color shirt is not a very good choice. I hope you all understand this word how to use in your conversation. Let me bring such more words for you. Until then, I will take leave. Bye-bye.